Hey, this is Jim, your favorite Southwest Florida realtor down here, beautiful sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Check it out behind me. We've got a house that we know it's up for sale. Going to do a quick walkthrough. Going to tell you all about it. It's 3-bed, 3-bath. Beautiful, beautiful house. Been redone totally. So let's go ahead and take a look. We are walking into the entrance. It's a great room floor plan. Absolutely beautiful house. Been completely redone from top to bottom. Got a gorgeous, gorgeous view that we're going to check out here in just a little bit. There's your dining room, formal dining. Opens up to your beautiful kitchen, completely redone. Shaker style cabinets, soft closed drawers and doors. You got quartz counters, your breakfast nook, master bedroom, plantation shutters. Really neat. You got his and hers closet with barn doors on. Come walk into this absolutely beautiful, gorgeous bathroom. Garden tub. Nice big, beautiful walk-in shower. Second bedroom. Second bathroom. Completely redone also. Absolutely beautiful. Third bedroom. Plenty big enough where you can set up as an office there with the desk in the corner. Third bath. Tub and shower combination. Right here is one of the wow factors. This absolutely gorgeous view. You got water, you got golf. This is in a golf course community. You got a nice big lanai right there. Your western exposure, so you got a beautiful sunset every day. So there it is. This house has a brand new roof on it, new AC, new pool heater. If you'd like more information, give me a call, shoot me a text. Jim with eXp Realty, 239-233-4060. This could be yours today under $800,000 in a great neighborhood, close to everything. Talk soon. Have a great day.